In this tutorial, we will be discussing the intersection method of a set in Python. Here we have two sets, set 1 and set 2. The intersection method takes in another set as an argument and returns a new set that contains only the common elements between the two sets. As you can see, the intersection of set 1 and set 2 contains the elements 3, 4, and 5. Let's try another example to further understand the intersection method. In this example, set 3 and set 4 have no common elements, so the intersection of the two sets returns an empty set. Now that we've seen how to use the intersection method with sets, you can use it to easily find the common elements between two sets in your own Python programs. That's it for this tutorial. Happy coding!